हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू मरीना टीके। एक गुड न्यूज़ है आप सबके लिए कि आई हैव लॉन्च द वेब पेज marinatk.blogspot.com। सो उसी के बारे में आपको कुछ बताने आया हूँ। मैं काफ़ी समय से इनएक्टिव था मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे, दैट बिकॉज ऑफ एग्जाम। देन कोविड वैक्सीन ले लिया है मैंने फर्स्ट डोज। उसके बाद थोड़े माइल्ड सिम्टम्स थे उसके बाद जो होते हैं। सो I'm feeling all right now, so I have decided to launch my web page marinatk.blogspot.com. You can find everything related to GME aspirant. It is one of the best website for the GME aspirant at free of cost. It is one of the best website for the GME aspirant. So I will make some key points regarding the website, which is really good and which is the different. अलग क्या है website में, which is the different. So I will be mentioning some few points to look at there. This, then I will give you the glimpse of the website, how it look like, and where you can see the website on your phone or you can access it very easily. I have make it simple and comfortable. So the first thing what which is good about the website is I have taken the good collection of the questions. The question collection are very good. Whether it's from my experience, from internet, from websites, from co-cadets, doesn't matter. The I have the one of the best good collection of the questions, which can easy which can easily help you to boost your knowledge plus build up your confidence. In interview what you will require the most is your confidence and your knowledge. So I'm not directly targeting the interview thing. The first thing what we have to look for your confidence and your knowledge. So definitely these two things will be going to increase. The next thing which is very good about our website is it is always and right now it is free of cost, no charge for anything. सो फ्री में आजकल चीज़ मिलना बड़ी अच्छी बात है। सो मैंने एक पैनल और उसमें डिज़ाइन किया है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा अभी वेबसाइट में। उसका नाम है डिस्कशन फॉरम्स। उस पर आप इजीली जाके आप क्वेश्चन टाइप कर सकते हैं। आपका क्या डाउट है, चाहे वो आईसी इंजन से है, एफएम से है, आरईसी से है, थर्मो से है, बॉयलर से है, या फिर कुछ भी क्वेश्चन उसमें आपने डाउट टाइप किया। आप वेबसाइट चेक करते रहिए, 10 मिनट में, आधे घंटे में, 1 घंटे में, 2 घंटे में, 4 घंटे में आपको रिप्लाई मिलेगा। चाहे वो मुझसे मिले या मेरे को कैडेट्स हैं उनसे मिले, या फिर आपको किसी भी स्टूडेंट जो वेबसाइट विजिट कर रहा है उससे मिले, या फिर आपको कोई इंडस्ट्री के एक्सपर्ट से मिले, फोर्थ इंजीनियर है, चाहे वो फिफ्थ इंजीनियर है, थर्ड इंजीनियर है। सो इट विल बी गुड फॉर द बिकॉज आप एक नेशनल ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये सब एक्सेस कर सकते हो। यू आर नॉट इन द ग्रुप ऑफ 50 पीपल्स, 40 पीपल्स, 30 पीपल्स, you are among the online, so there is no limit. So question answer you can easily access. Question आप put up करो, answer you can put up. That will also build up your confidence that हाँ आपके questions right है, आपके answer right है. These things build up your confidence. In interview what the main thing is required, आपने सुना है confidence नहीं, confidence नहीं, confidence, confidence आएगा कहाँ से? माना आपने थ्योरी नॉलेज बहुत ले ली है, पूरी बुक पढ़ डाली है, लेकिन जब तक आप क्वेश्चंस को क्रैक नहीं करोगे यू विल नॉट एबल टू बिल्ड अप योर कॉन्फिडेंस। यू विल हैव द नॉलेज बट नॉट द कॉन्फिडेंस। सो लेट मी टेल यू, टेक यू द टू द वेबसाइट एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द थिंग्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। सो लेट्स गो थ्रू इट। When they started, so जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था, आई विल गिव यू द ग्लिम्स ऑफ द वेबसाइट। So first of all, you will type the marinerdk.blogspot.com and then you will click enter and you will redirect it to my website. So this is the first structure of the website: home, blog, about us, and contact us. This will directly take you to the different portion of the website. So let us start from the home page. So this is the home page. Explore the life at sea, the Marina DK, the place where you will get all your answers. This is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to directly from here. This is the discussion forum. What was I talking about? So I will give you the note about it. The influencer, the merchant navy aspirants के लिए एक मैसेज है यहाँ पे. A place for the GME aspirant and marine engineer to ask the doubt. What are the pros and cons of the website? So I will talk about the pros of the website. The pros are the directly in contact with the me. You will get the all your answer question from the industry experts. You can freely ask your question here. You will get the latest interview question here. What my motive is to build the community. So merchant navy aspirant will get the perfect guidance. They will be in the right path, working good without any deviation. This is a small message for the mariner from my side. Sorry for the GMS period. Yeah. So these are the some recent blogs by me which are very important. Common interview questions, important electrical questions, RAC questions, fluid mechanics, internal combustion. Let us get to the internal combustion questions. So you will find it like this is how I have created my web page. So you will find this question are very much good. It will boost your confidence and it will boost your knowledge for sure. So this is how the website looks like. I will be uploading more blogs on not on the daily basis, maybe on the Saturday. That's the day I have finalized. I will be updating these questions on the regular basis. Sure. This is about me. You can subscribe for the newsletter. You can contact me. So what the new thing is, I have talking about the discussion forum. So let's click on the discussion forum. You will be directed to the discussion forums. This is the place what I was talking about. So this was the message put in by me on the 28th April when I was testing for this. So this is the reply from some unknown people. That's the good because कई लोगों को बहुत लोगों को they are little bit shy in asking the question. So it will be totally unknown. If you want to hide your name, you can hide it and you can ask the question. So that's one comment from the amazing person. It will be definitely help a lot the genius and keep it up. So I can directly reply. So reply, thank you, Mr. Alone. Alone. So that's the kind I was talking about. You can ask the question what you want to ask. So that's kind of thing I was asking from you. You can directly ask for the question from the RAC boilers. ये कैसे होगा वो कैसे होगा you anyone can reply. This will be the like the Quora. Not we cannot match the level of Quora, but for sure for the GME aspirants for the narrow path it is very good. You can ask the question and feel definitely you will have a great thing here. You can directly go to the Instagram from here. You can follow me up and you can directly talk to me here. I will be replying for sure. The next thing was you can directly go to my YouTube channel where you can subscribe the channel I have mentioned. So these are the some videos I have uploaded that are for the only informative video. I don't I do not upload something vlog type. I do not feel it's good. It's not my personality. So that's what for my website you can access the question of the different section for easily. So that much. So that much from it. So do visit the website.